of radius 14 centimeter. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. As shown in the adjoining figure, find the area of the remaining sheet. Take pi 22/7.
Okay, the radius is given. This is your circular sheet. Okay, so first of all, we'll take out the area of this circular sheet. The radius is given of a circular sheet is 14 centimeter in your book. So write down radius is 14 centimeter. Now what we are going to do? Area. We'll take out the area of this sheet. Area of a circular sheet will be, the formula is area of a circle. Formula is, yes, we are. Huh? Pi r square. 2 pi r is the circumference, beta. Pi r square is the formula of area of a circle. Okay. Pi r square. The value of pi is given in your question. See the question. 22/7. That's right. 22/7 is given, and radius is already given in your book 14. So we will multiply it twice because this is r square. So we are going to multiply it twice. 7 to the 14. 22 to the 44. 44 multiply 14. How much it will be? Tell me fast. Multiply the numbers. So area of a circular sheet is 616 centimeter square. That's right. Gia, 616 centimeter square is the area of this circle. Because these eyes and this mouth has been cutted off from this sheet na. ये sheet के अंदर है. So we have to cut it out inside from inside the circle. So first of all, we'll take out the area of a circular sheet. Area of a circular sheet. That is your 616 centimeter square. Now we have to cut these small circles from this sheet. So we need the area of these small circles also. So radius is given in your book 3.5 centimeter. Two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter is written in your book. Just see it. Two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter is written there. So area of small circle, we'll take it out. Area of a small circle. The formula will be the same. Pi r square. This is because this is also a circle. This is also a circle. So the formula will be the same. Area of a circle. But radius will change because that will be 3.5. So it will be 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So when you will change these numbers into the fraction, it will become 35/10 because point is written after one decimal. So when you change any decimal number into fraction, the numbers which are after the decimal, the number of zeros will increase in the denominators. So it will also become 35/10, 35/10. Okay. Now you have to cut the numbers. 5 to the 10, 5 7 the 35, 5 to the 10, 5 7 the 35. 7 will be cut it off with 7. 2 11s are 22. 11 7s are 77 divided by 2. How much it will be? 38.5. 38.5 centimeters square. But these are two circles. These are two circles. So we'll multiply it by 2 also. 38.5 when multiplied by 2, you were getting 77 centimeters square. Okay. Got it? Now we have to cut this rectangle also. This is a rectangle part. This portion is also being cutted off if you have to make the space. So what we are going to do? Area of a rectangle. Formula is L into B. That's right. Length is 3 is given and breadth is given 1. So 3 centimeter square. This will be the area of a rectangle. It's given in your question. Length and breadth. Length and breadth is given. So that will be the area of a circle. Now we have to find out area of a remaining part. Area of a remaining part will be, area of a circle is this one. ये पूरे circle का radius था, area था, that is 616. So 616. You have cutted 2 small circles. So that is your 77. 2 small circles, area is 77. So we'll subtract 77. Now we have cutted the rectangle part also. So that is 3. You have cutted out.
Baby is merged since morning. I told you that only for the 0 period they will be merged. जब कल
So 616 is the whole area. Okay. 77 is the area of a small circle and 3 centimeters is the rectangular area. We have subtracted these portions. So 616 will be subtracted with 77 and will be subtracted with 3. So how many? Okay. 536 centimeter square. That is the right answer. See, the whole circle is of 616 centimeter square because the whole area has been, the circle area is 616. After that, we have cutted 2 small circles. So one circle is of 38.58 and 2 circles are of 77. Hai na? So the 2 circles has been cutted off from there. Then rectangular part has been cutted off. So the area is that. So we have subtracted all these parts. So that's why we have the remaining part which is left is 536. Got it? In question number 11, a circular part of radius 2 centimeter is given. This part has to be cutted off from a square sheet. This is a square sheet, aluminum sheet, and we have to cut a circle from there. Okay, this is a square aluminum sheet. So what you are going to do, one side is given 6 centimeter. So first of all, we'll take out the area because we have to cut the circle from inside the square. If we need a boundary, then we'll take out the circumference. But here we need the inside part of that sheet. We have to cut the inside part of that sheet. So what we are going to do? Area of a square. First of all, we'll take out the area of a square. What is the formula? Side into side or side square. That means the same thing. Side square or side into side. Area of a square. And 6 centimeter is the side. So multiply 6 into 6. How much you will be getting? 6 6 is 36 centimeter square. That is the area of a square. This is whole square. Okay. Now 2 centimeter radius is already given here. 2 centimeter radius is already given here. So area of a circle is pi r square. Formula of area of a circle is pi r square. The value of pi is given 3.14. Okay. So 3.14 and radius is 2 centimeter given. So we'll be writing 2 into 2 because this is r square. So 2 into 2. So 3.14 multiply 2 into 2. 3.14 multiply 4 to the 4. Multiply it. How much we'll be getting? If there is a decimal value, you simply multiply. If you are confused how to multiply the decimal numbers, simply 314 multiplied by 4. Do it. 314 multiplied by 4. And from whatever the answer you will be getting from the right hand side, just start counting. After decimal, there are 2 places. So from right hand side, start counting 2 places and then put a decimal over there. 12.56 centimeters square. That's right answer. 12.56 centimeters square. This is the area of a circle. Now we have to cut from this square. Okay. So the area of the remaining sheet will be area of the remaining. The square area is 36. Now we have to cut this area. Yes, side square and side into side means the same thing. 36 minus 12.56. Because this part we have to cut. This is a square area 36 and we have to cut this part. So square area में से आप circle का area you will be cutting off. So 36 minus 12.56. Subtract it. Cut this part. Anant, Anadi, open your camera. Astha, open your camera, beta. Anupriya, Aryan, Athar, open your camera. 20. Check once more. Your subtraction. Check it once more. 36 minus 12.56. Subtract the number carefully. Check it. Check it again. Aryan, Athar, Ayana, open your camera, beta. Everybody open your camera. Jessica. 24.34. No. Check once more. You have to subtract like this. 36.00 minus 12.56. Okay. 36.00 subtract 12.56. Like this you have to subtract. Come on, do it. हाँ, 23.44 centimeter square. Area of the remaining sheet will be 36 minus 12.56. What do you want to add? Add क्या करना है बेटा? What do you want to add?
0.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. Take
Yes.
pi is equal to 3.14.
14 beta. After decimal, read the digits, not the numbers. Okay. So the circumference
Okay,
is given 31.4 and radius and area we need to find it out in this question. So circumference is given. First of all, we'll be writing the circumference. Circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is how much given? 31.4. Circumference is given 31.4 centimeters. And the formula of a circumference of a circle is? What is the formula of circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. That's right. 2 pi r. 2 into, what is the value of pi given? 3.14. 14, not 14. And radius we have to find it out. Circumference is given 31.4. This is the circumference which is given. So we are writing below that circumference. 2 is written same as it is. Pi, the value of pi is given in your question. 3.14 and radius we have to find it out. Okay. 31.4 divided by 2 into 3.14, yes, is equal to radius. Solve it. 31.4. These two numbers are in multiplication. So when you transpose these numbers, you will be getting in a division form. Yes. So 2 into 3.14. Solve it out, children, and give me the answer. Six point. Beta, you have to divide it also, na? 6.28 or 26. Yes. 31.4 divided by 6.28 is equal to radius. Solve it, children. When you will cut this point, it will become 10 here. When you will cut this point, that it will increase 2 zeros above that. Why? You know, because after decimal only one digit is there, so we can increase 1 zero in the denominator. If in the denominator after decimal 2 digits are there, so we can increase 2 zeros in the numerator form. So now you can solve it out. 0 will be cancelled with 0. 3140 will be divided with 628. You'll get the radius. 3140 will be divided by 628. ठीक. How much you will be getting the radius? 5 centimeter square. That's right. R is 5 centimeter square. That's correct, Jia. Yes, Anshika Singhal, that's right answer. Radius is 5 centimeter square. Now we'll take out the area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. The value of pi is 3.14 and radius we have already found it out, 5 into 5. What will be the answer? 3.14 multiplied by 10. 3.14 into 25. 5 5 is 25. 3.14 multiplied by 25. Yes, children, solve it and tell me how much you are getting. .5 centimeter square. 78.5 centimeter square. That's right. This is the area of the circle. So we need this only. Radius we have already found it out and area they have asked. So we have sorted out 78. Yes, Astha, Jia, your answers are also correct. 78.5 centimeter square. Done, children?
Surrounded by a path 4 meters wide. The diameter of flower bed is 66 meters. What is the area of this path? Take pi is equal to 3.14.
Yes, there is a circular flower bed. This is a circular flower bed. Okay. And a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path. This is a path. This is a path. This is called a path, which is surrounded by it, and it is 4 meters wide. This path is 4 meters wide. This path is 4 meters wide. Okay. The diameter of a flower bed is 66 meters. This is a flower bed and it is 66 meters. This is the diameter and the path is 4 meters wide. Now we have to find out the area of the path here. given in your book also. Better this diagram. This is a square flower. So the diameter of the flower bed is given 66 meters. Diameter of a flower bed is 66 meters. This is given diameter. So how to take out the radius? 56 upon 2. Yes, always when the diameter is given, you have to divide it by 2 to take out the radius. Okay, so 33 meters will be your radius. 33 meter will be your radius. Okay, 33 meter will be your radius. Now width of the path is given 4 meter. Width of the path is given 4 meter in your question. Now first of all, we'll take out the radius of outer circle. So outer circle radius, we'll take it out. The radius of outer circle, that is 33. Inner circle is 33, radius is 33, and 4 meter wide path. So we are going to add it. 33 plus 4. 37 meter will be the outer circle. The radius of outer circle will be 33 plus 4, that is 37 meters will be the outer circle radius. Okay. Now area of flower bed. Area of flower bed is pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14 and radius we have already taken out, that is 33. Outer circle minus inner circle also we can do it. Outer circle is 37 meters. Capital R square minus remaining part. Inner square is also pi r square. Flower bed is also 3.14. Okay. So area of remaining part we can write it down. Area of remaining part will be see, diameter of the flower bed is given 66 meter here. Okay. And width of the path is given 4 meters. Okay. To take out the radius, what we have done? First of all, we have divided by 2. To take out the radius, we have just half it, and 33 meter is the radius. Now the outer circle is 33 plus 4. We have taken out 37 meters. Okay. And flower bed, formula of the flower bed will be pi r square. Circle area is pi r square. And inner circle, this is the outer circle. Flower bed is, this is inner circle. Flower bed is inner circle. And outer circle is 37 meters. Okay. So the remaining part will become pi r square minus r square. Outer minus inner. When two circles are given, always subtract it like that. Okay. So value of pi is 3.14. Outer circle is 37. Inner radius is 33. That is your path radius, beta. 4 meter is your path. Inner circle radius is 33. Outer circle radius is 37. So 37 square minus 33 square. 3.14. 37 into 37. Solve it. Thirty-seven into 37. $74. When you will subtract it, you will be getting at that time 74. Solve it, children. So 879.2 centimeter square will be the area of the remaining part. Now what we need? Area of the path. Area of the path is left. So now we'll take out the area of the path. Area of the path is 879.2. Sorry. We have to write it down here. Area of path is equal to 879 centimeter square.